2024-25. A year defined by people, by partnerships that mattered, by initiatives that inspired. A year when Indian agriculture moved forward with resilience. It was collaboration, innovation, and shared success that made the difference. CropLife India. A trusted voice of innovation, sustainability, and progress in Indian agriculture. Representing leading Indian and global R&D-driven crop science organizations, we work with the government, industry, and farming communities to build a safe, secure, and sustainable food supply for our nation. Our member companies represent 70% of India's crop protection market, introducing 95% of new molecules and investing over 50,000 crores rupees annually in global agricultural research and development. CropLife India annually organizes national conferences alongside its AGM, serving as a key platform for dialogue among agriculture ministers, senior government officials, experts, academia, farmers, and industry leaders. National Conference 2024 themed as Driving Prosperity Through Partnerships. Role of crop protection industry in the growth of Indian agriculture. The conference witnessed the distinguished presence of eminent leaders, including Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge for Law and Justice and Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Shri Ramnath Thakur, Honorable Minister of State, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, Shri Bhagirath Chaudhary, Honorable Minister of State, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, Mr. Faj Ahmed Kidwai, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, and Dr. Praveen Kumar Singh, Agriculture Commissioner, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, among others. The event honored Annadatas and drone Didis for their contributions to Indian farming, with participation from various embassies highlighting its global relevance and collaborative spirit. Over 85% of our crops lack proper pesticide labels today. With crop grouping, we can change that and put our farmers on par with the world. On 26 July 2024, a workshop on crop grouping principles for establishment of national MRLs was held in New Delhi, urging the government to implement a crop grouping scheme. This would reduce off-label agrochemical use, give farmers better pest management options for crops like spices, fruits, and leafy vegetables, and prevent export rejections due to missing MRLs. CropLife India believes that farmers should win. To protect farmers from export rejections, CropLife India has been advocating since 2020 for a Basmati Research Centre in Punjab and the creation of BasmatiNet, a traceable system inspired by GrapeNet. On 16 April 2025, the Punjab Agriculture Department hosted a workshop at Kheti Bhavan to define stakeholder roles in making BasmatiNet a reality, ensuring purity, protecting livelihoods, and enhancing India's global reputation. CropLife India continues to reach farmers nationwide through its stewardship programs covering Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and West Bengal under the motto, "An aware and educated farmer will produce safe food." In collaboration with the Tea Research Association, TRA Toklai, and the Jalpaiguri District Small Tea Growers Association, workshops were held across tea growing regions to train small farmers in meeting FSSAI and MRL compliance. The initiative promotes safe pesticide use, ensuring tea meets domestic and export safety standards. Since 2019, CropLife India has championed the adoption of drones for agrochemical spraying, contributing to the government's SOP with inputs from Japan's drone guidelines. Through the Drone Didi initiative under the Nemo Drone Didi program, women farmers are trained in drone handling, safe pesticide use, and PPE practices. In 2025, 2 skill enhancement workshops were held in Karnal, Haryana and Bengaluru, Karnataka, empowering self-help groups with practical expertise in drone technology, crop protection, and sustainable farming. CropLife India, in partnership with the Government of Maharashtra, launched a pilot program in Wardha, Arvi, and Hinganghat to promote safe agrochemical practices and combat illicit pesticide trade. The initiative targets dealers, agriculture assistants, and rural health practitioners through dealer awareness, training on stewardship, anti-illicit measures, and selling only authorized pesticides. Capacity building for agriculture assistance, guidance on safe pesticide use, application in time, AIT, and integrated pest management, IPM, for better farmer advisory. health practitioner training sessions on managing accidental agrochemical exposure, first aid, and referral systems to strengthen rural health response. CropLife India organized many training workshops across Kurukshetra, Radaur, Karnal, Yamuna Nagar, Ambala, and Ladwa focused on identifying genuine pesticides, promoting responsible use, and raising anti-illicit trade awareness among farmers. Across India, Women's Day celebrates the strength, resilience, and contributions of women across sectors. In agriculture, women serve as farmers, researchers, and agro-industry professionals, playing a vital role in India's food security and innovation. Yet, their efforts often go unrecognized. For years, CropLife India has been honoring these incredible women, celebrating their role in agriculture. Nari Shakti Mahotsav, our annual International Women's Day program, celebrates the spirit and strength of women farmers. As we look back from Bharuch to Ayodhya, Fazilka to Agra and Gwalior, our journey has taken us across India, recognizing, empowering, and uplifting the women who nurture our land. As we approach our National Conference 2025 themed as Viksit Bharat 2047, 1 trillion contribution by the agriculture to the economy, role of crop protection industry, we remain committed to driving agricultural innovation, strengthening farmer livelihoods, and creating a future where Indian agriculture thrives sustainably. Together, with our members, partners, and stakeholders, we are building a resilient, productive, and prosperous tomorrow. CropLife India, advancing agriculture, empowering farmers, sustaining the future.